introduce you to the young and dynamic techno wizard who will teach us how to design interesting posters and improve our social media communication skills. Mr. Ashish Dalia, who is a man on a mission to drive digital transformation. He is the CEO and Chief Business Strategist at iKnowledge Factory, expert in digital marketing, entrepreneurship, business ecosystem. Ashish has experience of more than 20 years in this field. His venture, iKnowledge Factory, is a 360-degree digital marketing agency, working with more than 850 national and international brands. Ashish has addressed more than 50 sessions and seminars on digital marketing. He's a social media influencer, content marketer, and video blogger himself. He has also been acknowledged and awarded with various awards in his field. Without taking further time, I present Mr. Ashish Dalia. One more interesting announcement. We have planned a very interesting activity related to the workshop. So wait till end when Swapna will tell you about the campaign activity and the rules. Thanks again. Over to you, Ashish, now.
Thank you, Shalini, and thanks a lot, Spectrum. So just give me a moment. I will have to mute everyone. Okay. So first of all, is my voice audible to you all? Just put it up in chat box. If you can hear me, just say here. Am I audible to you all? Perfect. Thank you. So first of all, thanks a lot, Spectrum team. I had been hearing about Spectrum since long. I had been hearing it about Spectrum from Shalini, and I was very excited to know the kind of activities what you do. And I think Belief System brought me over here. So with an agenda of today's session, first of all, I'll also like to congratulate Spectrum NGO for doing this fantastic job, which is a need of an hour right now, by doing a rain harvesting campaign and by making people aware about the rainwater harvesting. So we will jump onto the session, but before we jump onto session, I'll just like to put up some kind of technical glitches which we might encounter. So there might be chance that I might get disconnected or you might get disconnected, but just by clicking on a link, you can join back. I'm on a double bandwidth right now, but you don't know how the technology could be driven. So even if just a minute, I leave the meeting. Okay, don't think I had left the meeting. I might have got disconnected, but I joined back. So are we all excited to get onto the session today? So we will keep this chat window on so that I can hear from you. Okay, so today's workshop is going to revolve around with social media and marketing communications. Okay, so when a topic of social media and creative design was being given to me, I was very excited because this is a time right now of a creativity. Social media is available to everyone. Creativity, which was otherwise bounded by a lot of technical glitches, like you need to understand a softwares like Photoshop or Corel Draw, or probably you need to have an someone is speaking in yeah. Is it okay if I remove a rights of unmuting yourself for a while?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
And even videos you can put off.
Videos is fine with me. Okay, so we will just jump onto this particular session, and in the interest of everyone, expectation will only be that whenever we want to talk something on that, my chat window is on and you can just keep pinging me from chat. Whatever I could answer, I'll answer, but at the end of the session, we can take up the question answer round. So now comes here is a very interesting thing. So what makes a social media? Okay, in an era of social distancing, digital transformation, social media plays very, very critical role. It's been 100 days that we had not been meeting up people, but social media was keeping us all alive. Social media was connecting all of us from distantly. So social media could be Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, YouTube, and even why not WhatsApp as well, so that there was no flaw. So point here comes is when there is a platform like social media, are we using it to the fullest of the potential? Okay, so what makes social media platform? So social media platform is being made by platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and even why not WhatsApp as well. So this is one technology platform, but this technology platform is only powerful when you have a network. So imagine one thing, that you are on Facebook, but if you don't have a friends connected with you, your communication cannot go and you cannot consume the communication happening up in their life as well. So when you have a social media platform, you have friends whom you are touching in connect with. So what requires over here is a communication platform. Okay, so when we talk about communication, communications are basically being divided into content and the creatives. So when you are on WhatsApp or on Facebook, what you see once you log in, you see some photographs, you see some content. Okay, and this photographs and this content communicates. Okay, so and so is doing something, or so something is happening in someone's life, or someone is cherishing a birthdays or anniversaries or get together, whatever it is. So it's an era of a creative communication. Do you all agree with me? Put in yes if you agree with me all over here using a chat window. Second thing is, when this all contents are available, followers are available, social media platforms are available, but if we don't understand an art of content push or amplification, which means that I have a great content, I have a good news to share, I have something great to talk, but if I don't understand the basic of content push or communication, what happens is the communication remains very, very personal to me. So I will today talk about, once you are on social media, once you have good amount of people connected with you, so how do you create a creative content, okay, which you use it for communication? And once you create this content, then how do you really push so that everyone who matters to you, when I say everyone, it essentially means everyone who matters to you should be knowing about it. Okay, so are you all excited to know about it? So today's session is going to derive about igniting a creative persona in you. So we all are creative. So we use our creative in communication, in visual presentation, and probably on a social media. So everywhere we go, when we dress up, it's also communication. Okay, what we present ourselves. So when it comes on to creativity, so there are only three bifurcation when you do something. Either someone says wow, someone says okay, and someone says no. So wow is something which we all look out for. So when you post something on your social media, okay, we all feel good when people like our post, they call us, or they probably comment, or they share, or they engage. But at the same time, if my content is not attracting, if my post is not attracting, then what does that mean is my communication strategy right or not? Correct? Am I going too fast, or I am good with my speed? And understanding an audiences, okay, I will try to be as non-technical as I could be. I try to be as generic as I could be. But wherever you feel like I am going fast, or you are not able to gauge, because objective of this is not to impress you. Objective of this entire session is to express you and to let you learn. At the end of the session, you should become a designer on your own. Okay. So now let's move on to another thing. So when it comes on to designing, simple language of designing is that designing is not a profession, by the way, it's an attitude. I am a designer, you are a designer, a housewife is a designer, okay, your kids are a designer, your husband is a designer. So everyone plays a role of a designing in different areas. So when you invite a guest, what you do is you cook good food, that's understood. But it's also required to be presented right. Isn't that a designing? It's also a designing. Okay, when you go and meet up someone and you want to really appraise someone, you go and speak to them, that's also a communication. So that's also, you format your content and you present your content. So I believe that's also designing. So designing essentially also means that your intelligence, your communication, your gratitude, you make it visual. Making sense? Am I making sense? So it's all about presenting, it's all about applauding, it's all about communicating. Okay, when we are angry, even that's a communication. When we are happy, even that's a communication. Even when we are sad, you look up at the WhatsApp status of the people, you will be able to understand that this person is going through some phase of their life. Okay, and that's what communication is all about. So now, let's try to understand where do we need a design. We all need a design, right? We need a design at personal level, we need a design at professional level. So I am being given to understand quite a lot of people from Spectrum membership are working, are actively a part of their businesses, or probably are people with an extrovert communication. They go, they meet, they interact. So when you are meeting, interacting with lots of people at any given point of time, you need to promote your thought leadership. You need to differentiate yourself from anyone else. Don't you want to be differentiating? Don't you want to differentiate yourself? You want to differentiate. And when it comes on to differentiating differently, how do you differentiate? Can I understand from you, how do you differentiate yourself from any other person? So how do you say you are a proud member of Spectrum and you have achieved something in your life, and that's the reason why you stand at this particular position? It's purely because of your communication. So let's jump on to where do we need a design at a personal level? We need a design at personal level when we want to wish someone. Wishes could be anniversary wish, could be congratulating, work anniversary, housewarming, and it could be anything. Second thing is when we want to wish something, one is just sending a photo. Second is making a collage of a photo. Collage of a photo means multiple photos being put together and which are balanced out. So I will teach you what is the collages of the photo. Generally, we put this up in a family frame. Okay. Secondly, we use a lot of video compilation also. What you saw today, Shantilal Muttha's video, or probably rainwater harvesting explainer video. Could you see Spectrum logo being put up over there? So which means that this communication was also branded. So when you use someone else's communication and you put up your entity on that, what happens? It creates a multiplicative impact on that. So you do a video compilation. These days, if you remember that lots of people say it's a birthday wish or anniversary wish, so they compile lots of videos coming from different geographies using a medium of WhatsApp, and then they compile together, they stitch together. So what it creates a flawless experience of a creativity. Second thing is you invite. So today, take an example, there was an invitation being sent across to all Spectrum members to come and attend this particular session. So there was an option of sending a very plain text. There was an option of sending just 2-3 pieces of information. But when this all information were collated together, what happened? It became an invite. So when you're creative, when your invitation is creative, people generate a curiosity out of it. Am I making sense? Second thing is, we live in an era of social media. Quite a lot of you might be very active on social media. So in that particular scenario, you need a creative content, you need a poster, you need a graphics, you need a videos to post on social media. So how do you stand out? Because your social media is connecting you with the loads of the people. Okay, they could be of your social financial stature, they could be people from your family, from your professional network, from your personal network, from your society network, and whatsoever you call it. So point over here is when your communication is impressive, is convincing, so people wait for your communication. Okay, so that's what is, we call it social media posting. We also help our kids to do a lot of assignments, right? We, quite a lot of people, if you are professional at your own level, then you also need a personal portfolio. Personal portfolio wherein you need to make your own brochure, you need to make your own PowerPoint presentation or company profile. So everything is available in today's forum, what we are going to discuss. So at the same time, when people are in a business, they make business proposal, PowerPoint presentation, brochures, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube pictures, templates, and resumes of yours and resume of the company, and multiple such kind of thing. So am I making sense? And is this a reason why you are here? I want to understand. Is this what you're expecting from today's session? Or is there something else which you pursued which is not being covered? I'll just take 5 seconds or 10 seconds pause to hear from you. It's important for me to KYC, know my audiences. Okay, so only when I know you, only when I know what is expectation and my content marries with that whole thing, I think it makes a right investment for you all put together. So let's get started with this. So what are we going to cover today in a session is visual design and communication, which means that how do you communicate using visual? Okay, and how do you collaborate this visual with the right kind of an content? And believe me one thing, even if it's looking very fancy, very techy right now, once this session is over in 40 minutes from now, I tell you, you will all become a professional for creative designers. Content curation application, because if you are good with visual designing, but if your visual designing is not able to communicate, it's like having a television but with mute mode. Would you understand anything out of it? So today you just don't rely on radio which only pushes content or voice to you. You cannot just rely on television which mutes your voice. So it requires a 360 degree of influencing of communication. So which means that your content and your creativity has to marry together, and that's what we are going to learn today. I'm just trying to set a context for this particular entire session. Second thing is you will become a professional in terms of making your own social media post and to promote it. I'll also tell you how do you promote your social media post. So when it comes on to good design, okay, what contributes to a good design? I won't get into too much of a theory kind of again. I want to jump directly onto the platform. So when there is a good design, you have to understand what is the application of this design. Application as in, is it a social message? Is it a sales message? Is it a promotional message? Is it a gratitude message? So based on the kind of messaging, you decide a theme of your visual. Second thing, you need to understand who are the audiences. Audiences essentially means who are the consumers to this content. Because if you don't know your consumers, if you don't know who is going to read this particular content, okay, your content could be good, your creativity could be good, but it will still not communicate. So unless the object is required to be defined. And I'm always of a believer, always take a reference in mind. Okay, I want to send a birthday invite, so I like this particular birthday invite. So you should always do a good amount of research, because creativity ignites your creativity. So when you see something, it inspires, it amplifies your ignition of thinking on those particular lines. Second thing is you should work on references. Then you have to decide what would be the layout. Is it going to go on email? Is it going to go on a print? Is it going to go on a WhatsApp? Is it going to go on a video? Because unless and until you understand the layout of the design, your design again might go haywire. So communication which is required to be done on hoarding would be different compared to communication which is required to be done on WhatsApp. Because hoarding is a bigger size communication platform. Your WhatsApp is a smaller size communication platform. Making sense? Making sense? Yeah, I'm just waiting for one or two messages. Perfect. Second thing is font plays very, very critical role. Now, what I had been seeing is people use multiple fonts. So when you are making a gajar ka halwa, you have to understand कि इसके अंदर में वही ingredient जाएगा which makes a good gajar ka halwa. You cannot add a spice to it because you like paneer spice. Okay, so you have to understand what is a family of this. So that's also what we are going to learn today. And second thing is how do you select images and where do you source these images from? Okay, so now let's get on to this. So today I will introduce you to a platform called Canva, CNVA. How many of you heard about this platform called Canva? If you heard about this platform called Canva, you say used it or not heard. Wonderful, wonderful. So there are quite a few of people who says wonderful. So either that's going to make my job very challenging, or probably it's a great opportunity. I'll tell you, 30 minutes of my session from now on will make your Canva Pro. Best part of this is absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything to get started. Second thing is it gives you loads and loads of the template to select from. Okay, and I'll tell you, the moment I open up Canva in front of you, it would be a different level. So let me bring that to you. So using Canva, what we will learn today is how to make a social media creative, how to make a posters, how to create an invitation cards, how to make a PowerPoint presentations, how to embed a video in your design, and then making greetings. So greetings could be anything. Okay. And then making your company profile, infographics design, and multiple such kind of a platform. And on the top of it, there are thousands of ready-made templates already available. So are we all excited to jump onto Canva and start using it? Okay, so are we all excited? Should I directly jump onto Canva as a platform now? Wonderful. So I will take a screen back to me and I'll jump onto the platform of Canva. Okay, so I'll just try to open up this. The name of website is called Canva, canva.com. I'll just put this up on your chat window as well, so that you can keep this a note. So if you have a notes and all lot of things, just note down this website called canva.com. I just pasted this website link on the chat window as well. Okay, so when you are going for the Canva for the first time, this is the kind of screen you get. Okay, so you don't need to sign up differently. If you're already having a Google account, if you're already on a Facebook, you can log in with the same credential. In case if you are not on Facebook, not on Google, I could see that quite a lot of people of members here had logged in from your Gmail account. So I presume that 95% of you are on Google, on Gmail account. So what you need to do is you just have to click on a button called sign up with Google. The moment you sign up with Google, it will ask you for Google username and password, and then you will be set to create your account. Clear until now? Okay. So once your account is created, then you jump onto Canva as a platform. So this becomes a home screen. So once you are logged on to Canva, this is how the homepage or the first screen of your Canva looks like. Are you all able to see my screen? Is my screen visible to you all? Perfect. Voice is audible? Okay, let's jump on. So now let's take a challenge. We want to design a creative poster. Okay, so I will start. So once I go on the platform, what I see is I see loads of the templates. Do you see? If I need to make a presentation, I click on it. If I need to make infographics, I click on it. If I want to make posters, I click on it. So right now, let me just jump onto poster designing. So I decided I would like to make a poster. Okay. So what I do here is I click on the poster. So once I decided I want to make a poster, on your left hand side, you see loads and loads of the templates of your posters. Are you able to see the poster templates? Okay. So you may decide which poster suits you based on the theme. So I will select one poster over here, which I want to make recycle phased. Okay. So this poster, take an example. So the moment I click on this particular poster, what happens here is the entire template gets loaded. Okay. And the best part with this entire software over here would be I can add whatever. So here, when you see this Canva being written down, it means that it requires a premium account. So what I do is I will delete that. I don't need that premium account. Okay. So I might add up something. So now what I want to do is I want to send an invitation. Okay, so my invitation is probably, just take an example, housewarming. So I go on Google. So I probably can look up at it from multiple avenue. So I think I like this design. So what I will do is I will copy this image. So when you right click on this particular image on Google, so you don't have to download it also, by the way. And I say, okay, fine, I want to do this. I come and I do Control V or Command V, whatever you call it up. Okay, so now what do you see here is this image got pasted. And then because this image was from different platforms, so I am just trimming it. So this becomes my poster. And I put it up over here. I can drag and it becomes bigger. Okay, I think this is not a content which I'm looking out for. So I'm just making it a bit bigger. Probably this is there. So I will make it 75. But I had only liked this top portion of this entire creative. So what I'm doing is I don't want to copy down this. I want to write down my message. So I had just cut down this particular image to this extent. I am further making it more trimmed. Okay, and this is my banner of my image. And I am making a full length, or probably if I don't want, I can keep this up as it is. Okay, I think I don't need this image, so I will cut down this image. I don't need this image, I can cut down this image. I want to make it much bigger. I can just drag. I'm just dragging and dropping, by the way. Okay, here was the content, so I can write my own level of the content. So there is a function which is called grouping. So all these 2-3 text box is under group. So I click on this button called ungroup. I'll keep pausing in between so that I know that I am going with your pause. So here I want to say, I want to edit this text. Okay, so I'm going over here. I'm selecting this text saying, hi buddy, I would like to invite you to my housewarming on 20th July 2020. Okay, so here I want to put down my name. Okay, Ashish and Ritu Dalia. So now it probably is not looking that great, right? So what I have an option is I can change the font. So I told you font plays a very, very critical role over here. So I'm making it bigger. Okay, I want to make it red. So I click on this particular font and I make this particular red or make it blue. I can make it furthermore bolder. I didn't like this font. So there is lots of fonts also to select from there. So I want to see how does this font looks. I want to see how does this font looks. Okay, I want to see how does this font look. So take an example. I would like to settle down this with this particular font. Okay, so I'll be just keeping my chat window on just to understand. So am I making sense until now, or am I going too fast? I'll show you a couple of more examples. Don't worry. Is it good? Now I also want to say, I also want to add my personal photograph. Okay, so this was okay from a theme point of view. So what I'm doing is I'm going on to my Google Photos. I'll select my photographs. Okay, so I might like to select my photographs from here. So I'm just selecting my name, and all photographs where I am appearing will come down over here. So probably let's take an example. Okay, this photograph. So I had just copied down this particular photograph from my Google Photos, and I'm coming and I'm just pasting it over here. So when I post photographs, so it's looking too big probably because it's, so I'm just trimming it down further. I'm making further trimmed over here. I'm making further trimmed over here. I think my full size photograph is not required. So I'm making a trimming it any further like this. Now I would like to put this photograph over here, or probably over here. Okay, I want to delete this particular thing from background. This is a free photograph, so I like to put it up. So now what's happening is this has become a balanced photograph. I also have an option of sending this photograph to this particular format. Okay, now what am I seeing over here is this color is not getting fitted in, right? So I have an option of changing a background color. So when you go on this side, you also see a lots of background color option. Okay, so I would like to change the background color to this and see how does it looks. Okay, I think this is not going too good, so I might like to remove that. I might like to make it further bigger. Okay, I would like to also check how does this looks with this as a background. So if I am choosing this as a background, then probably this color doesn't go. So I might like to select this color. This might have to look further. Okay, so these are all different elements, by the way. When you look up at it, these all. So you can remove or you can add, or you can add this many more times. Okay, I would like to add this here as well. So what I did, I'm taking down from there to here. Okay, if I feel now I like to use this color, so you can use a multiple combination. Now this font is not going, so you can change the font color again to. So now what are you experiencing over here is you are not needing any kind of a technical expertise. It's just a drag, drop, and playing it online. Okay, so now let's look up at another template. So do you want me to make a template of a new board? Take an example. So now today in Spectrum, we saw a new board is going to take it over. So let's do one thing. Let's make a poster for our new board where we want to invite. Would you like to do that? Would you like to see how to make a board? Okay, how to make an invitation for this new board invitation. So let me figure out if I could get a template which is suiting to me. Okay, so let's take an example. Now this is a new board. So unfortunately, I don't have photographs, so I will try to use something from internet only. So let's take an example. We are having Modi. So I will welcome Modi, and I'll make an image of Narendra Modi as a PM. So let's take an example. He is taking over. Okay, so I would like to remove this one. I like to paste Narendra Modi photograph. And what I'm doing is now take an example. He is one of our board member. Then let's take an example. Let's have another Miss Sonia Gandhi. Okay, I'm just using some random names. Okay, just excuse me for that. I'm copying the image and I want to replace it with this image. So I'm putting it up over there. Okay, so now I want to use Nirmala Sitharaman. So I might like to use this photograph of hers. I would like to put it up over here. So what's happening over here, if you look up as, so here I have an option of trimming down, okay? Because I don't want to give too much of the weightage and footage to backgrounds of it. So here it comes. So I want Narendra Modi being a prominent person. I would like to make him bigger. So I'm just expanding him over there. So it's looking like an expanded version. Then we might have someone else, okay? Piyush Goyal. So I'm just giving you a random example. I think that's okay with you. So I'm just going, copying an image. I'm putting his image over here. I'm trimming down his side images and I like to put it up over here. Okay, but I want to say now this is getting cut. So I would say bring to font. So what will happen is she will overlap. So this is called a collage. Okay, and here I want to say our new board 2021. Okay, so now this is a Spectrum, right? So what I also want to do over here is I want to use a logo of Spectrum. Just a minute. So this is a logo of Spectrum. Okay, so I'm just copying down this logo also. And I like to put this up on a screen. So I'm taking it over here. So what I'm trying to do is I will put this up over here. Okay, I think if start getting balanced, I might like to move Narendra Modi a bit smaller. So here it comes like this. And here is a logo of my Spectrum. Now I think it's not getting probably balanced. So what I want to do is I want to give some kind of a background to it. So when I go, I would like to select a background, could be like this one. Okay, it's looking too busy. I might like to use this one, not going well. I might like to use this one. Okay, not going well as well. Okay, I might like to use this one in that case. It's looking too loud, so I would like to use this one. So you have multiple combinations of using like this. Okay, so I think there are lots of chats. I'll just like to see how to lighten the color, mix the color photo. Wonderful. I'll answer upon that. Okay, so someone said me everything is possible in Spectrum. Yeah. So you said how to lighten this. Okay, so now take an example. This is Narendra Modi photograph and I want to lighten him. Okay, so once you select any particular element, so I would like to make this also probably much bigger. So I might like to make this particular color white or probably red to stand out. So I might like to do this, or green probably. Okay, so now I want to make this particular photograph effects. So I like to give effects to it, okay, filters. So you can click on these effects and you'll see these images are getting shaped up automatically. You want to increase the intensity, you can do it all on the go there itself. Now I want to use Narendra Modi's photograph and I want to make it black and white or grayscale or this scale. So best part over is whatever you feel like you are working on individual elements and then you're trying to make it louder. So here is a Spectrum logo. So now there's also an option of making it bright, making it darker or something like that. So you can play around with each and every element of this. Okay, so that the tone of all these particular things gets aligned. This is looking too dark. So what I want to do is I want to make it with a different kind of color. I want to blur. So many times you might also like to blur. Okay, so there's also option of cropping individual images, as I said. Okay, is there any question? Let me just check it up in chat window. Okay, yeah. So this is what I'm trying to do. So now what happens is here is your welcome new board. So I'm not saying this is one of the best template. I just selected randomly. Okay, and here you might say Spectrum. So what's the tagline of Spectrum, by the way? Can someone put in if you have a tagline? Yeah, you can mix with the background. Yeah, Madhvi, you are asked, can we? Yeah, okay. So what's the Spectrum tagline? If you have anything. Or I might like to use something like growth with happiness. Window to the world. Wonderful. So I'll just do one thing. I'll just copy down this and I might like to put it up. Windows to the. So window to the world. Okay. So here, if you have a website, you can put down your website address and whatever. Okay. So it's woman window to the world. So, okay. Okay, so if you think this is taking too much of the thing, you can always expand it any further. Okay, and you can put down this. So if you want to put up your logo of Spectrum in a very smaller format, you can also do that. So what you do is you delete this from here, you paste it over here. You can drag down this Spectrum logo, you make it further more smaller. Okay, it's probably, so this is how it looks like. Okay, because it's not getting with the color, so you might like to even change the background color, right? So you just click on this option and you might select this as a background or this as a background, or it could be this as a background. So you can decide whatever you want to do. So is it making sense until now? Had I been making sense? Should I move on to another template? And believe me one thing, see, you will not learn anything, but I'm just exposing it to you right now. You will have to spend 2 hours. I'll tell you genuinely, just put in 2 hours. If you are not too technical savvy, put in 3 hours. You will become as technical or as Canva Pro as I am at this point of time. Now let's try to make something different now. So take an example, we received this video from Shantilalji Mukta. Okay, so what we saw is he recorded a video and he gave it over to us. Now I want this video to go onto our template of Spectrum. So what I do is I use this. Okay, now let's use this as a template. So if you see this, this is already a background. I am deleting a video on the background and I'm adding up Shantilalji Muttha's video. So this was a Shantilalji Muttha's video. So I am selecting this and I am dragging this to my window and I'm putting it up over here. So it has come over. Okay, and I'll try to make it full screen. And I want to say this should be on my background. So I'm sending this to back so that all other element of mine come on the front. So do you see here? Okay, now here I want to replace everything with my Spectrum logo. So what I'm trying to do is I will drag down this Spectrum logo from there. I will take it up over here. I will remove, this is not my logo. I will remove this component altogether. I might like to remove this and I'm adding up this. Okay, I also want to put down something like here from leader Shri. Okay, and I want to make this strip bigger. So I'm making this strip bigger. Okay, so I also want to do one thing. This is my content which was to be there. Okay, sharing his or probably congratulating Spectrum Women's. Okay, so now what had happened is my video is ready now. Would you like to see how does it looks like? So I'm playing my video now. Is voice audible to you? Was voice audible to you? So when I'm playing Shantilalji Muttha, is this voice audible to you? Okay, just give me a moment. I will just put off my blue.
Yeah.
इस वर्षों से इकट्ठे आकर काफी
Can you
सारे
hear
काम
now?
पूना के लिए कर रही थी। मुझे पता चला है कि ये साल उन्होंने वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग पर अपना काम कर
Does it looks amazing? Does it looks amazing? So what I had done is I had just picked up a normal video. Okay, but let's take an example. I'm not happy with this template of video. So I want to make some other video template. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me put this up with another template. So take an example. This becomes my template. Okay, so I want to use that same video over here. Now this is a dynamic font. Okay. So I had just dragged this video over here. Okay, this video.
नमस्कार, मैं शांतिलाल मुत्था। मैं पूना के
So
स्पेक्ट्रम
I want to give it a different or a bit. I don't want it to be like a typical and normal video. So I'm making it like this. Okay, here I say I'm making it bigger. Okay, this element is getting me distracted. So what I'll do is I'll try to move this element from here. If I don't want, I can remove it also here. Okay, so I want to say here he is a president BJS Pune. Okay, so now my radio is my video is ready with different theme altogether. I want to give this theme, or I want to give either this background. This is not going well. I might like to use a yellow one or this one. Okay, so now let's play this video again.
नमस्कार, मैं शांतिलाल मुत्था।
So when I look up at it, it's probably not looking so good with this kind of a tilting effect. So I might like to use this in this particular format. Okay, I would like to make this move further down like this. I might like to change the color of this particular thing with red color probably. I might like to use this one with I'm just using some random colors. Okay, just excuse me for that. Okay, this is a font and I didn't like the color of this font, so I like to use green color as a font. So this moves on to green color. just a random, okay, you might decide upon what font do you want. Okay, and I am putting this over here. Okay, I would like to make this video bigger like this. Okay, and I would like to share it in this particular format. So here becomes my another layer of the video.
नमस्कार, मैं शांतिलाल मुत्था, मैं पूना.
Okay, so what I did was I forgot adding up logo of Spectrum. So I'll also like to add a logo of Spectrum. So this is the logo of my Spectrum. I like to pull this down. I like to take down this particular thing down. Okay, or I might like to use something over here. I might like to use this over here, and this is my Spectrum. I think this is making it more busy. So one thing which you need to understand, your design should not be busy. It should be breathing. So don't try to, because one of the common mistake which quite a lot of people do is they try to put in so much of the content. If your content is not breathing, is not cleaner, is not crisp, okay, the entire object and the purpose gets lost. Okay, so can we insert a voice recording to a slideshow? Yes, you can do that. In fact, what you have seen, Ankita ji, when I was playing my PPT, if you have seen that, I have dragged that voice recording on my PPT as well. Okay, so someone asked me, Leena ji asked me, can you please show how to insert a do again? I haven't understood that. So is it okay if I unmute you right now so that one by one you can ask me a question? Okay, once your question is over, you can then mute yourself and then you allow me to answer that. Is that okay? Only request is you'll have to just follow this discipline of muting and unmuting yourself. I really want to make it more interactive. Or is it good the way it's happening right now? Just put this up in a text chat window. So someone is saying, I wanted to repeat how you, okay with the flow, no problem, thank you. Again, I'll teach you how can the photo is lightened from the border and get mixed with the background. Let's do one thing. Let's go back to my photos again. So another best part of it, okay. So even if I'm not saving anything over here, but all my images are being saved. So let's take this particular layout, okay, or rather let me select one of the layout which I did for some other project of mine. Okay, so we did this. So I am a part of Mahesh Industrial Group and we had this Chai Pe Charcha. So I was being asked to make a creative on competing with China. So first let's look up at this creative, how does it look? So here what I did, I took down a video of Amitabh Bachchan from YouTube. Okay, the way I had dragged. So let's take an example. So let's take an example here. I show you again an example of how do we drag this video. So I'm deleting this video. Okay, someone asked me how to add video. I need to show it again. I'm doing that again. I'm precisely using just Shantilalji Muktha's video just because I don't want to distract from lots of video. I can use any video, so that's not in case. Or let's take an example. I want to use this rainwater harvesting video. So I picked up and I had dragged. The way, you know, how do you drag? So you remember how do you drag your file from your computer to your pen drive? It is as simple as that. It's not at all complicated. Once you start using it, I believe one of the easiest software to work with. So I want to remove this because I want everything to be playing within this particular forum. Okay, so let's look up at it. How does it look now? So here what I need to do now is I need to remove this logo. I probably need to add Spectrum logo. I added. I want to put up something. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll just pick up something quickly. Rainwater harvesting logo. I'm just picking up one logo just to give it a dimension. So supposingly you as a Spectrum NGO has decided that this is what is a logo of ours. So let's take an example. We pick up this as a logo. So generally what happens is whenever you want to use a logo which you want it to look transparent, always use a PNG image. So I'm using this as a PNG image. So I'll remove this here from here and I'll put down this image. So this is a Spectrum logo. This is your campaign logo. Okay, so I want to say send to back. I can send this to back. Okay, this is distracting probably, so I might like to use it somewhere here. Okay, so here I want to say Jal hai to kal hai. Okay, and now my video is all set. Let me run this now. So it will start playing, and now what happens is when this is ready, I'm downloading this. So what I'm doing is I'm just downloading page number 2 because that's appropriate. Okay, and once I download, okay, so this is available to be shared. So I'll just share it with someone. Can we use the same video with another song is the question of Ankita. Yes, you can do that. So precisely that's what I did. So for that, you will need a video mixing software. If you are working on Mac, okay, Macintosh. So you have a software called iMovie. In iMovie, you can always do that. But if I try to teach you right now, it might take longer time. You could just go on YouTube and you might probably be able to do that. Supriya ji has asked me, that means we should have a logo. We should have the logo, video and photos saved on your computer to be able to use them. So I'll tell you, if you have it with you, it's good. But take an example, what you have been seeing, I didn't have most of the videos available with me. So I have been picking those videos from Google. Okay. And I was picking those particular videos and images from Google and I was just dragging and dropping. So now what had happened is this video is ready to be downloaded. So I might call it up Spectrum rainwater harvesting video. Okay, and I'm just saving it over here. So my video is being saved. I'm going to my desktop. And from my desktop, let's look how does this video looks like. So I'm just trying to, okay, yeah. So I'm just playing this. So your video is ready to be promoted. So now if I share this video with Shalini, Shalini will be able to share this video with all of you. So that's how it works out to be. Okay, so someone asked me, do we have to take permission? So I really don't know what are you referring to permission. So if you're using someone else's content and if it's a copyrighted content, don't use it. So here we are talking about, I'm not talking about the legal side of it, permissions and not. So take an example, you cannot use Shutterstock images, but there are lots of images available on internet for free download. So you can use those kind of thing. Perfectly all right. Okay, if someone can, you are our Canva magician. I'm not. In fact, once you start using it for 2 hours, I'll tell you, you will become a bigger magician. That means Shalini is using it terrifically. In fact, quite a lot of time, even I feel like I should be consulting her how to do that. Okay. So another thing over here is if someone can just ping me how much time is left with me. So accordingly, I don't want to hurry upon that. I don't want to take too much of the time and I like to converse more on that. Okay, I'll also show you one more example. Meanwhile, just Shalini, if you can just put it up in a group, how much time do I have? I don't want to overshoot the time. Would there be someone to put it up? How much time do I have? Okay, thank you, Shalini. So let's take an example. I'll just give you an example. So you did a rainwater harvesting, okay? And rainwater harvesting is nothing but a process, okay? Wherein you have water on your terrace and then you capture all the waters and then you want to probably preserve those things. So today, tomorrow, take an example, you want to make a good video or probably good creative about what you did. So here you say, just a minute. Huh? So here you ungroup this and you say, rainwater harvesting process. If I'm making some spelling mistake, please excuse me. Okay, so here you say types of water consultant, types of water conversion types. So here you want to say what are the way in which water could be conserved. Okay, conservation types. And here you say these are preliminary 4 levels of this. So here you say rain water harvesting. I'm just making it bigger. Then I want to say boring. I'm just using something. Okay, well, okay, something I don't know. Okay, then here we say harvesting versus dumping. Okay, and here you want to make it bit smaller, so you make it smaller so that this communication goes. So now again over here you want to say wastage, what we do when you do a rainwater harvesting. So this is purely an image. Let me do one thing. So you want to use this image. I'll just use random. Okay, just don't. I'm just giving it for the reference purpose. Okay. So here you want to replace this, and here you want to say this is what is the scenario of India. So here you say 50 for India, high extreme water sources and something like that. And then here you want to put down something, and here you, so Colonel Dalvi said somewhere where he said, "1,000 terrace water generate 2.5 lakh LIT." Yeah. So again, just excuse me for spelling. I don't want to. My focus is to teach you right now. If I try to start correcting, it might take some longer time. So here I want to say 1,000 terrace, 1,000 square feet terrace water, SQFT. Terrace water generate 2.5 lakh of water. And I want to make it smaller, so I drag it up like this and I make it smaller. So here what I say, this something is there in white color which is distracting me, so I'm deleting that and I'm taking this. So now this becomes your fantastic posters. Made sense? So here I want to do this, I want to take this up because there's so much of the space available. I want to do it over here. I want to take this up over here. And here I want to say, okay, fine, uploads. So all logos and everything is available, and I want to put down a logo of Spectrum NGO. So it's been put up in this particular format. It comes over there. Okay, so multiple such kind of thing could come down. So you might put it up over here, whatever you want to do. Okay, so now I presume to an extent you understood how to make this creative. So I'll not tell you how do you download it. Okay, so once you made this creative, okay, now you need to download. So what you do is, okay, so here was also something. So you can look up at the balancing point because these are templates. So you essentially need to remove unwanted things from there. So you might like to say something, or you might like to take this on the top, rainwater harvesting. You might like to give this as a bullets. So there's also an option of having a bullets on that. Okay, you might like to take this over here, or you might like to put it up over here. So if take an example, if this is being endorsed by Shantilal Ji Mutta. So if he's endorsed you for this particular thing, so what we do is we take down his image. So someone asked me, do we need to even download image? You don't actually. Okay. So I'll put down this photograph of him. So here you might say appreciated by. Okay, and here this is a font which you want to use, or probably something like that. So I am still taking this up. I can still take this up. I can still take this up. My spectrum could come and sit in the world map also probably. It can go here also, whatever, wherever you feel like. Okay, and I want to say appreciated by. So as we all know, Amir Khan is also running his Pani Foundation. So if you get any appreciations from them, so we say appreciated by. Okay, and you can put down this particular people over here. So you might put up Amir Khan, okay, or Colonel Dalvi, Colonel. I don't know if this is the same, but just for the reference purpose, I'm just picking it up over here. So it might be him, it might not be. So I'm absolutely sorry if I picking up some wrong image, but just to give you a reference is upon all the objective. I'm picking up over here his photograph as well. So now if you again see, so there are lots of white spaces, unwanted spaces. So I can edit images there itself by doing this kind of a thing. I need to bring this down to a level of Shanti Lal Mutta. So what I do is, so it also has got this facility. It tells me I'm balancing with this or not. So I might stretch it, something like that. So this is how you can keep adding up. So I'll do one thing. I'll just add 2 more photographs just to show you a reference. So I will another 2 more photographs. So this is how it works out to me. So is this good? Was that good? Yeah, just give me a moment. I will start unmuting someone. Shalini, you want to be? Yeah, Shalini, I unmuted you so that you can take some questions from audiences, or if you could co-host with me, yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Ashish, now I don't think so. We have time to take any more questions.
Perfect.
So we will wind up now.
Perfect.
Maybe I'll pass on we will take a note of the questions and I will pass them on to you, and then we can answer those queries on our group chats.
Perfectly honest. So do you want me to unmute everyone right now?
No, don't unmute, only Swapna, because she'll give vote of thanks.
Just give me a moment. Huh?
Yeah.
So Swapna, you can unmute yourself now.
And also if you can give her this thing to share her screen.
But now, the Spectrum one, can you do it, Ashish?
Pardon?
You have the Spectrum logo. If you could just share that screen.
You want me to keep Spectrum logo open?
Yes, please.
Just give me a moment.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Why is it coming like this? Okay. So I'll share my screen. Yeah, with Spectrum logo. And you please carry on.
Good evening, friends. Hope you enjoyed the digital workshop on designing a poster for social media communication. I think a lot of credit goes to Ashish for making the workshop engrossing and interactive. Thank you, ladies, for attending the workshop in such large numbers. We have an exciting competition lined up for you. We want all of you to design a poster for Spectrum and post it on your social media platforms. There are a long list of rules. All of these will be mailed to you, but I will just go through them briefly. Your logo must have your poster must have the Spectrum logo. The logo is going to be sent to you. There's a tagline we would like you to use. The theme of the poster will be rainwater conservation. The poster needs to be submitted to us, that is to Shalini and on the groups by 5 p.m. tomorrow. And the contest will close on the 5th of July at 5 p.m. And you need to, once you make your poster, you need to share it on either on Facebook or on Instagram or on both. And then we'll see who gets the maximum number of likes. So we're going to have prizes in 2 categories. One will be for creativity, and the other one will be, of course, which one gets the maximum number of likes. We've got exciting prizes after that. The prizes will be announced on the 6th. The winner will get to do an advanced course in social media communication. And of course, they'll be acknowledged on the Spectrum groups with the title of Spectrum Creative Bee and Spectrum Social Media Queen. Please check your mails and your phones for more information regarding this. I would like to thank Mr. Ashish Dalia for his time and expertise, also for allowing us to use his platform. Lastly, but not least, I would like to thank our core team of Shalini and Meenakshi for the help and support through the year. Our last announcement